Hello everyone, this is Miss Eleniak, the music teacher at Fred Douglass, and this video I am going to talk about our music routine for anyone that is going in Schoology and doing the music work online every single week. Alright, so this counts as the students that are fully 100% online, and this is also for the hybrid kids who don't get to have music in person for the month. Okay, so I'm going to go into Schoology and I'm just going to use this third grade class as an example, but every single grade is going to look the same. So it doesn't matter if you're on third, fourth, or fifth grade. This is going to look the same. So if you have any brothers or sisters, or maybe if you're a parent and you have kids in the school, it'll look the same for you. So I'm going to go into this Music for All Students folder at the bottom of the Schoology course. Alright, so the first week we kind of took some time to figure out what worked best. So I'm going to go ahead into the folder for Music Lesson 2, and you see that this folder is titled 3.2. So that just means that it's third grade and it's the second lesson. If you're in fifth grade, it's going to say 5.2. If you're on fourth grade, it's going to say 4.2. And third grade, 3.2. So I'm going to click whatever music lesson I'm doing this week. Okay, so you're going to see two things in here. There is the checklist, and then there is the discussion. So I'm going to click the checklist first. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit. This is the checklist for lesson 2 of music class. So I inserted a little Google slide in here. It's similar to the Bitmoji classroom where you're able to click around. So for example, number 1, this is going to look very similar every single week for all the grades. We're going to go number 1, log into Quaver Music. So if you press this little button, it'll take you right into the Quaver login page. Then number 2, complete 3.2 online lesson in Quaver. Alright, so since this is lesson 2, go into Quaver to your assignments. If you need help finding how to use the assignments in Quaver, click right here. It'll take you to a little assignments tutorial, to this little slideshow. And then number 3 is comment in the Schoology discussion board, and I will come back to that in a little bit. Okay, if we keep looking at this slide here, right here is a link to a Quaver tutorial. So if you press that, it'll take me to the video that I filmed before for Quaver. If you click the assignments, it'll take you to that slideshow like we saw before. And right here is the September Quaver codes. So you can click that and it'll take you to a page where it shows the September Quaver codes, and I'll talk about that a little bit more later. So now I'm scrolling down. Underneath this little visual for the checklist is going to be written out every single thing that is going to be in the lesson for that week. Alright, so the music checklist with links. All materials will be in the Quaver assignment for the week. So this is just a breakdown if you want to see what you're doing, but all of these materials will be in the Quaver assignment for that week. So for example, number 1 would be watch the music class routine, which I'm filming right now and I haven't uploaded yet, but when I do that, the link will be right there and you can click on it if you want to. Alright, so after that, everything is going to be written down here for whatever the lesson entails for that week. And then I'm going to scroll down. And right here is this little September Quaver codes for this month. So there are 2 codes for this month. And again, if you need a Quaver tutorial, it'll be linked right here. And then if you need a codes tutorial and you're not sure how the codes work in Quaver, there will be a little video link right here that you can click on. And so I'm going to go scroll back up. I'm going to go to this folder again. And this time I'm going to click the discussion. All right, and this discussion is here just so you see on your calendar in Schoology that there is something due for music this week. Okay, so the discussion is going to be due every single Sunday of that week, Sunday night. So you have the whole entire week to finish your music work. And then all you're going to do for this is go down, click, write a comment, and just type in yes if you finished the music checklist, and yes if you submitted your Quaver assignment. So again, this discussion is just here so you can see on your calendar that you have a music lesson this week. And it's not graded or anything, it's just so it's in that calendar. Okay, that is all I have for this little music routine video. I will see you whenever you do your music lesson for this week. If you have any questions, go ahead, you can message me on Schoology. And I think that is it. So thank you for watching all the way to the end of this.